Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. On today's video we will be making another classic Indian restaurant takeaway style dish. It's called the Chicken Korma. It's probably one of the favourites out there, along with the chicken tikka masala. Believe it or not, making the chicken korma Indian restaurant style, it is the simplest one, and generally it is the one that when you first are learning to become a chef, it's one of the ones that you make first of all. So what we have here is our pre-cooked chicken. We've got some single cream, we've got our coconut powder, almond powder, sugar, and we also will need some base gravy, which I've got prepared as well. Having said that, let's crack on with the video. Literally, it is very simple. Just put everything in and just wait for it to simmer. Right, let's crack on and make this chicken korma dish for you. Chef's spoon of coconut powder, about half of almond powder. Just lightly toss it. Not chicken. This is the thickness you're looking for. And that's our chicken korma done, really. Hope you enjoyed this. Let's get this plated up. There you go guys, that's your chicken korma Indian restaurant style done. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, it's Babel here from the Bengali Cook. Thanks ever so much for watching our videos, and listen up, please like and subscribe to our channels using the link below, and of course remember to set those notifications.